welcome to this episode of Hands on Science.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel. So today, I've got a test for you.
A test?
Yep. We are going to test your reflexes.
My reflexes.
So for this test, all we need is a ruler. You can use just about any ruler. If you have a yardstick, you can use a yardstick too. So what I'm going to have you do, Mel, is you're going to hold your hand out like this. Keep your fingers kind of close together. And hold your hand right about here or so.
Right here?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count to 3. And then I'm going to drop this ruler, and your job is to catch it as quickly as you can. So as the ruler falls, you're going to see it's going to get, further and further up in increments. So you want to catch it as close to the 1 as possible. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good.
Oh,
okay.
I caught it.
Now we're going to do this again, but I'm not going to count this time.
Okay, you're not going to count.
So you're
okay,
going to have to watch and react to the drop. Are you ready?
Yes. Not bad.
Not bad. It took a little longer without that countdown.
But I should actually catch it more here, right?
With a countdown, I think you caught it around the 6 or so. Without the countdown, you caught it around the 7. So because we were counting down, you could anticipate when the ruler was going to drop. So this is just a fun, easy activity to test your reflexes. Guys, if you liked this activity, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.